live? I don't know. I can't tell. Stupid thing doesn't tell. Oh, I think we are. Hi, everybody. It's Monday. Oh, I think we're live now. Yay. Hello, everybody. It's Monday. We made another week. Survived. Yay. I just want to pop on and just have fun today and not get, well, I'll get a little serious, but not too serious. So Ian got me this, and I have to share how he found this shirt. Cracks me up. He said, "Mom, I googled photography and funny T-shirts because you like funny T-shirts, and this is what he found." Um, so adorable. I loved it. Anyway, that's one. That's my favorite. And Erica kind of gave me two, but I'm going to share this one because I have it operating right now. How cool is this little guy? It's one of those. It's connected to the computer, and it's you twist the bottom off, and it has a pad, and you put the oil on the pad, and it just I don't know. I'm not quite sure if it's working. I do have elevation going on in there because it's raining outside, and with all the craziness out on social media, I needed to uplift my spirits a little bit. So I grabbed my elevation today, and I put 4 drops. And technically, if you're going to diffuse oils any kind of way, you want to not put more than 5 because that's too much. So kind of wondering about this. I mean, I could kind of smell it, but it's not like if I was using the water-based diffuser. Anyway, so I don't know. It's cute and I like it and I'm enjoying it. But this is what I wanted to really talk to you about was it came with a little 5 milliliter orange essential oils. And I haven't opened it. I think it's funny that it's wrapped in this, probably to protect it. But there's three things that caught my eye that I wanted to share with you because I want you to be mindful when you get like these kind of packages where they come with oils. So first off, that totally caught my eyes. It says 100% pure oil. Don't know if that's true or not. Just based off of what I read on the instructions, makes me kind of wonder if it actually is. But I've done my research and I did discover that the FDA, even though it doesn't regulate the essential oil industry, $18 billion industry, it does have to market or uh, keep an eye on the marketing. So the loophole is it has to have at least 5 to 10% of pure essential oil to even have the label. So I mean that's anywhere between 5 to 12 drops that you're paying for. So you getting robbed. Okay, so there's that. And then I wanted to read because I'm old. I gotta hold it out to here. And I have readers on transition or whatever they call it, the progressive. Um, so yeah, it says warning, flammable. Well, I think they all say that. Because it's an oil, not for internal use, may irritate skin, avoid contact with eyes. If contact occur with eyes, rinse with water. We're going to talk about that. And keep reach out of children and pets. Undiluted oil not intended for topical use. And then they go into pregnancy and consult your doctor, which all of them say that. So the thing that it makes me laugh when they say use water if it gets that tells me off the bat this is not 100% oil because water and oil don't mix, so that oil is going to stay in your eyeball and burn it, and water ain't going to do diddly. So you want to grab a carrier oil, fractionated coconut oil, I don't know, whatever oil you have in your house, and that's going to take it out, but not the water. Silly. And then the other thing was undiluted oil not intended for topical use. Okay, so let's talk about that. What that means is they don't have, they claim there's no like fractionated coconut oil, carrier oil in it. And what that means is it just holds the oil to your skin so it doesn't flake off and more of it absorbs. So that to me is kind of silly. So yeah, I haven't opened it. Whew. Anyway, I'm going to keep it because it's a fun one to talk about. Might incorporate that in my class. I don't know. So, yeah, those were the gifts. Aren't they thoughtful, you sweethearts? And Erica got me all that community coffee. Oh my God, I'm such a coffee snob, you guys. I remember the first time, I was always a community coffee drinker. Um, I go way back. And I remember the first time getting introduced to Starbucks coffee, and I was just like, ew. So I'm kind of glad I've got community back in my life. Speaking of community, I got this in the mail. Costco Connection, Mind and Body. And I was like, oh, look, everybody's getting on the bandwagon. Everybody's doing it because we're all losing our goddamn minds. So yeah, I thought that was kind of cool because this is what I'm going to teach tomorrow, and all of you are invited. You can sit and watch, eat your popcorn, drink your coffee, have a snack, hang out with me. It'll be fun. We're going to play with oils. If you don't have oils, let me know and I'll send you some. It won't put me out, cost a stamp to send you samples. Yay! So yeah, I can easily peasily do that. Anyway, so that's out there. Do what you want with it. All right. Yeah, so that's what my class is about, is emotional wellness, mind and body. We're going to talk a little bit about the physical benefits of these oils, but mostly focus on the emotional supports and detox, because it's time to detox, you guys. It's like flush 2020 out of our system and bring in some happiness and joy. I'm tired. Okay, I guess yeah, I slept fine. I don't know. I didn't want to get out of bed. It's raining here, so that's why I have my elevation. Let me give it a little whiff because this diffuser is just not. Thanks, Erica, but her mind was in the right place. Okay, that's it, you guys. Tomorrow is my class at noon Pacific time, so you can check it out. I'm going to record it, so there's going to be a replay on Simple Abundant Life. If I invited you to that page, it's for a reason. You probably said something on Facebook, and I'm like, oh, bless your heart, you need some Simple Abundant Life guidance. Okay, that's all. Just trying to help you guys out, so we can cautiously go into 2021 with a positive mind, hopefully, or at least start working our way to that if we're in the dumps, okay? Because I know a lot of shit's happen, and yeah, we all need a little support, and I'm here for you. Okay, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Not a whole lot. That's it. Okay, you guys enjoy the rest of your week. Um, Happy New Year's. I'll see you next week. It'll be a new year. It's still gonna feel like 2020 for some of y'all. For me, it still feels like 2019. Cause yeah, after you get laid off and you can't find a job for a year, yeah, it's almost just like that. Okay. Anyway, I digress. I'm good. I'm well. I'm watching crows attack a hawk. Crows are assholes, man. They do not want you in their territory. Okay, I don't blame them. You guys have a good one, and I'll see you next week. Be kind, wear your mask, social distance. Just stay home if you can. Please stay the F home. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the same. Love you guys. Happy New Year's! Yay!